Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I say good afternoon because right now it's just after 1:30 here in a studio, a wonderful studio here in Paris. A warm welcome to the JEC Composites Innovation Awards 2023. So when it comes to composites, when it comes to innovation and awards, this is the competition which naturally beats them all. Now, what I'm about to do right now is I want to take you back in time to 1998. May I ask you right now, I have a wonderful studio audience here as well. So those of you at home beaming in to us wherever you are around the world, and those of you here in our studio, what were you doing in 1998? Many things were happening during that time. Certainly, if we go through some of them, Apple introduced the first iMac, Microsoft Windows 98 was released, Titanic was dominating the Oscars. France naturally won the World Cup, a chance to smile finally. Bill Clinton was impeached for being naughty. That wasn't so great, obviously. A lot of people were listening to the Spice Girls. They were listening to Britney Spears. But if you were like me, you were listening to Gilbert Montagnier and Danny Briand. Quand je vois tes yeux, je suis amoureux. I will never forget those words of that year. But again, in 1998, there was something else that actually was launched, something very special indeed. And naturally, it was actually these JEC Composites Innovation Awards. So I stand here now. You stand or sit wherever you are looking, beaming into us across the world, wherever you are, today celebrating 25 glorious years of the Innovation Awards here at JEC. And you can remember that back in 1998, those of you that remember, a very different period when it comes to the industry. Certainly, designers were almost starting to explore, starting to really appreciate the benefits that different materials in the composite industry could actually bring. Again, as you know, innovation, a word very, very important to the composite industry indeed. And each year, the JEC Composite Innovation Awards really celebrate, they really applaud these cutting-edge new projects and that really demonstrate the full potential of what composite materials really can do. And equally, these awards we can also say they are driving forward the progression of the composite industry as well, showcasing the real benefits of composites offer in different markets, also creating new business and opportunities, and equally inspiring others to collaborate in their own ideas as well. A few numbers for you as well before we go any further. 1,900 companies globally have been part of this competition that you see right now. More than 215 companies, 525 partner organizations, all recognized for their excellence of their collaborative projects. So very impressive indeed. Right, so these awards, what are they all about? Right, we have 33 finalists. They can't all win, only 11 will win. 11 will walk away winners of this competition today in 11 different categories. And again, let me just remind you, those of you, and I know many of you here will be naturally joining us at JEC World 2023 in April the 25th to the 27th. Those of you that are joining us from wherever you are in the world, you'll have a chance to see and understand and learn more about each of the winning projects at JEC World 2023. Also, 11 jury members. Will be meeting them all today as well. They have given up their time, they have given up their energy, their expertise to really help us and help the competition really choose and applaud, as I say, those winners as well. Remember, everything that you see today, that you hear today, every word will be recorded, and you'll be able to see this back in the future, or maybe right now you are actually in the future watching this in the past, when in fact we are doing this in the present. So perhaps that's one more thing that the JEC Awards are doing, time travel as well in 25 years. Great to hear. Right, let's move on now. But before we start, let me just introduce to you a man a lot of you know well. You've heard of him as well. Indeed, we saw him a little bit earlier in our first sessions as well. The CEO of JEC Group, Mr. Eric Pierjean.
Good to see you again.
Eric, it's always lovely to see you. We do this quite a few times over the years. I'm almost becoming a composite guru myself, but I'll leave that up to you. So, 25 years this year, so many winners. What would you say it really means to be a winner, whether it's your recent winner or today's winner of the competition or a winner from way back when over the years?
Well, I think for the winners, it's always a pride to get an award, and this pride you keep it in the mind, you know. For the composite industry, it's also, these are milestones, because in various application sectors, in various categories, there's a before and an after an award, because it's a new technology, it's a new project, so it has shown that this is possible, and it opens the door to further applications. But the pride is something very strong, you know, even after 25 years. I recently met in Japan a winner in the city of Kanazawa, and he won it in 2014. And I was still feeling the pride of getting an award, like if it was today, you know. So I think this is the first thing, and of course it's not one person, one award.
That's
it's
exactly
a teamwork,
what I was going to say. I think a lot of awards in different industries, we applaud single winners or maybe the heads of companies, but really it's slightly different in this industry. It's more of a team effort, really.
Well, yes, and it's mirroring composites, you know. Getting an award is a collaborative achievement, it's a teamwork. But composites are about teamwork anyway. Even the materials, you know, are combining strength of matrix and fibers with additives and with porosity. So it's about teamwork. And this is also a special focus we put on when the jury is working on the nominees and the winners.
I think it's about 2 months, just under 2 months until JEC World 2023, and that actually, I think it gives quite a few benefits for the winners, but also for the public as well, and those that are interested in these winners, because they have time now to think and understand who the winners are, and then plan on meeting them in Paris.
Yeah, exactly. We started last year, in fact, to do the award ceremony before the show to raise awareness about the projects and to give the opportunity to the press, to the experts, and to the visitors to know the awards winning, the winning awards before, and to be able to discover them at the show, to really get to know each other much better.
Before we go, I'm going to put you on the spot right now, actually. So 25 years, maybe not here for the whole 25 years in terms of all the winners, but if there's one winner that sticks out in your mind the most in terms of this awards, this competition, for whatever reason, what would you say?
You put me in a very difficult situation.
Not saying that what you say is the best, but just one that's popped out in your mind.
Well, I think a recent award about composite rebar, for example, is something important, because I think having the opportunity to open a new market in construction is something great. But there are so many examples from last year, from the years before, from the 25th years, but also from today's session. And I'm pretty sure that you will see some outstanding projects today winning, but also already nominated.
I'm sure we will. And naturally, remember, every single one of our winners that you see, that you experience today, you'll have a chance to speak with them, understand more about what their big ideas are, and obviously start those conversations as well. In the meantime, Eric, thank you so much.
Thank you, Peter.
See you very soon. Later as well.
Okay.
Right. We move on. We move on now to somebody else that actually, naturally, without this person or without this company, this would certainly not be be the same competition as it is. Naturally, any awards competition really needs support, and it would certainly not be the same without our main sponsor of this competition, which is Kotsa. I'm now going to hopefully beam across through the power of technology naturally to Chief Operating Officer of EMEA Composites at Kotsa, Müge Kenmez. Müge, are you coming through? Are you there?
Hello.
Hello, are you there? I can hear you. Can
Hello.
we see? I think we can. Wonderful. We can see you as well. Welcome. Great to have you with us. I'm now going to pass it over to you for you to share with us a little bit about Kotsa and why you've decided to support this competition.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Peter. First of all, good afternoon. And I would like to congratulate all the finalists and many thanks for inspiring us today. And as we all know, JEC World is the leading event of composite industries, and it is showcasing the most innovative technologies of the global composite industry. As part of the show, the JEC Composites Innovation Awards today brings us together to recognize the inspiring innovations and foster collaboration in the industry. As announced, my name is Müge Yenmez. I'm a Chief Operating Officer at Kotsa for EMEA in Composite Business Unit. And it is certainly an honor and a privilege to be here today with all the innovation leaders in the composite industry who are dedicated to advancing the future. At Kotsa, we reinforce 2 out of every 3 aircraft tires and 1 out of every automobile tires. With our composite technology and Turkey's best state-of-the-art R&D centers, we provide comprehensive solutions to meet the needs of our customers. We are also pleased that our technologies are sought after even in the construction reinforcement industry. Among our 13 facilities in 6 countries, our composite facilities are located in Turkey, in USA, and in Italy. At these facilities, we offer a wide range of products for the different application and different industries. Our Istanbul, Turkey facility, the Composite Technology Center of Excellence, is an example of a university-industry collaboration. And this collaboration with Sabancı University brings together R&D, innovation, and production under the same roof. Here we serve as an innovation hub primarily for the automotive, aerospace, and industrial applications. Our facilities in US, we have 3 US-based companies serve the world's leading aerospace and automotive companies. Fabric development and the textile products produce structural materials that required, as you all know, skilled engineering. They manufacture custom fabrics, and they are the key partners for many aerospace and automotive companies. And I am very proud to say that Exim Materials was certified as the world's first carbon neutral prepreg manufacturer in 2020. And we have appended our high temperature resistant oxide ceramic composite materials portfolio with carbon SiC and SiC prepregs for aerospace and industrial applications. These products tolerate service temperature of up to 1,200 degrees Celsius, and they are in use in many areas ranging from aircraft engine power system to combustion plants. Our subsidiary, Microtex Composites, is a vertically integrated manufacturer of advanced composites from weaving of carbon fiber to producing prepregs. Microtex provides the composite material for structural, aesthetic, and carbon-link interior application for motorsports, automotive, rail, sports and leisure, marine, industrial, and interior design sectors. That is not all, though. As an agile company, we respond quickly to the changing requirements of the industry, and we are also capable of rapidly leveraging the new technologies. Sustainability and the low carbon economy is a focused area for us. And in this regard, we are working on the use of recycled material, bio-based materials, natural fibers, and thermoplastic recycled fabrics. Our passion for innovation is the impetus that drives us to find a new sustainable ways to reinforce life and create a sustainable future. Thank you for your listening, and let's watch our short video.
So there we have it. Fantastic. Muja, thank you so much for being with us and sharing insights about what Corte is doing. But more importantly, thank you so much for your time and supporting these awards as well. So I'm intrigued as much as you are to really hear and see who's going to walk away a winner today. So thank you so much. Right, I think it's time to move on now to our very first category. But before we do that, I do have to say again, as we have a distinguished public audience here in our studio in Paris, it's great to have you with us here right now. But also naturally across the world, we have people beaming in from all parts of the world, hopefully different times of the day, different weather, pretty much everything. We would love to, you know where we are, we would love to know where you are. So LinkedIn Live, YouTube, pop in the chat, let us know exactly where you are and who you are as well. Right, let's move on to our first category. Our first category is aerospace parts. And let's have a look at our 3 finalists.
The composite innovation is the demonstration of an aircraft lightweight hybrid seating structure, which meets the sustainability criteria of easy recyclability and production using efficient automated processes. The material chosen for the demonstrator was polyurethane, as it can be used in solid parts or forms or as an adhesive. In an initial crash test, the structure remained intact at 10.68 G.
The important result of the life cycle assessment is rate reduction of the seat, which reduces fuel consumption and the global CO2 footprint by 20%. Our development shows the way to more sustainability and more efficient manufacturing.
Akio Shioku, President of Toray Carbon Magic. Thank you for this award. We collaborated to develop the lunar structure for iSpace, which is a global lunar resource development company. This lander will be the first privately led mission aiming to land on the moon in April 2023.
iSpace and Toray Carbon Magic committed completely to the pursuit of specific strength and stiffness in materials, structure, and fabrication methods for a lightweight product. As a result, we selected the airframe structure as close to a one-piece composite structure. We believe the project could strongly influence future directions as concept for lander structure.
We look forward to the success of this project.
So there we have it, 3 finalists. So difficult to choose who's going to walk away a winner. Maybe you have your own particular winner or own particular favourite out of those 3. What we're going to do now is invite to the stage virtually one of our jury members who is going to announce the winner of the aerospace parts category. Please welcome, a warm welcome from Airbus, Enzo Crescenti. Enzo, are you there? You are there. We can see you very well. We can't hear words. You're looking great, by the way. Can you hear me? Just nod if you can hear me. Great. We can't hear you, but you great movements. What should we do? Hey, this is what we're going to do. This is what we will do. We will stick with no sound, but I will ask you, I believe you have a piece of paper with the winner. That's right. Not yet, not yet. Okay, so I will say it for you. The winner is, and then you hold it up. How does that sound? Is that good? Nod? Good, we're doing well. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the aerospace parts category is... Fraunhofer ICT. Welcome, fantastic. So winners of this category, well done. That's for you. I'm going to pass this over to you now. This is for you.
Thank you very much.
How does it feel to be standing here in Paris in the studio as a winner of this category?
I'm incredibly pleasant that we win this JEC Award about the hybrid seating structure. The core idea was just to make an aircraft seat more sustainable with using one polymer, and then this polyurethane, because it's solid material, it's foam, adhesives, and that we managed the project, that we built the demonstrator, and we won the prize.
Absolutely right. So how are you going to celebrate your win? What are you doing tonight in Paris?
I celebrated at home. Huh?
Right, okay, fantastic. What about the rest of the team? While you're celebrating at home, what?
Celebrated at the Institute, my team, and I thank very much to the teams. Thank you very much to all the partners of the project, Alpex, Leithat, University of
we are very happy.
Girona. And then I go back to my home.
And where's your home? Where's your home?
Near Karlsruhe, near Strasbourg.
Near Strasbourg. Right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, hands together for our winner, Fraunhofer ICT. Well done.
Thank you. We are very happy because we achieved a very good results. We achieved in our first test and the unique test 10.68 Gs in a 60 G test. It's very difficult to achieve these results. This is one award, and this is a very good award. Thank you very much. Thank you all the people working this project.
Fantastic.
Thank you very much.
Fraunhofer ICT, thank you so much. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Great.
Bye-bye.
We move on. Remember, all our winners, so Fraunhofer, we will see them naturally back in Paris for JEC World 2023, April 25th to the 27th, where again, all our winners, there'll be a special dedicated area for everybody to learn, understand, and start those conversations with our winners as well. Right. And also, I have to say, Enzo, thank you so much. Your miming was beautiful. Unfortunately, technical issues there. Hopefully, we'll continue and won't have those anymore. But anyway, Enzo, thank you so much. Right, let's move on now to our next category. This category is very simply called Aerospace Process.
Today, we'd like to present a new approach for high-rate composite manufacturing. The hydrostatic metal membrane press concept enables fast and high-quality part manufacturing of thermosets and thermoplastic composites. The secret to this technology is a metal membrane which provides the process pressure and adheres perfectly to the geometry. Combined with state-of-the-art core solutions, we can create highly integrated stiffened parts. With a smart heating and cooling system, we can create a part like this in about 1 hour.
Because of the membrane hydrostatic pressure, we generate a perfect laminate quality every single time. This technology also does not require any auxiliary materials and is projected to be quite efficient in terms of energy consumptions. With its high versatility, eco-efficiency, as well as fast and high quality results, we believe the metal membrane press to be a key technology for the future of composites manufacture in aviation or even all industries.
Swing project is part of the European Clean Sky 2 program. The aim of this program is to make more sustainable aircraft in the future. So CETIM, as a major French technical center, led this swing project to coordinate all industrial partners, Sonaca, Loirtec, AFPT, and give all its added value on the composites and specifically thermoplastic composites, from materials to design calculation and also manufacturing. The Kruger flap developed in the swing project will impact CO2 emissions of future aircraft, reducing the drag on the wings, and it means at the end a reduction of the fuel consumption. To make it possible tomorrow for the industry, we combined a thermoplastic composite solution using also an innovative process. Key benefits of this project are based of course on the function of the parts, but also on the manufacturing step. It means that we have in situ consolidation with a full automated process. We have a repeatability and a reliability on the process with a high quality on the final part produced. And also, of course, we have the recyclability of waste during production, but also at end of life because we are using thermoplastic composites.
Technical lead in the Composites Centre at the AMRC, and I am proud to present our innovation, self-curing of composites. We have produced a leading-edge section of a wing to demonstrate the self-curing technology as part of the Horizon 2020 project in Maastricht. It utilises the conductive carbon fibres to activate the Joule effect, which is used to then cure the components. The main advantage of this technology is its energy consumption. With this 2 metre long BARTM component, you used only 1% of the energy compared to an equivalent oven cure up to 180 degrees. This component has an improved void content with a slightly lower degree of cure. Self-cure can cure large components which are larger than an oven or autoclave chamber, as the heat is being generated inside of the components, therefore no external heat is required. This will enable the technology to produce large monolithic composite structures of the future.
So there we have it again. Another 3 finalists in this category, which is the aerospace process. And once again, let's go over to one of our 11 jury members that helped decide the fate of one of these 3 finalists as well. So please welcome from Hanyang University, Professor Sung Kyu Ha. Professor Sung Kyu Ha. I hope you can hear me. I'm sure you. Wonderful. You can hear me?
Yes, I do.
Fantastic. And we can see you and hear you so clearly as well. Where are you right now? Tell us.
Well, I'm in the wonderful city, Seoul in Korea.
Fantastic. Lovely to have you with us. Right, I'm going to hand it over to you now to announce the winner of the aerospace process category.
Well, the winner of, in the category of aerospace process is SETIM.
Welcome from SETIM. I'm going to first of all do the honours. That's yours. Well done. Congratulations. Fantastic. Again, how does it feel being a winner in this category? And again, it's a really tough competition.
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much. Well, we are very proud first because this is a big prize, and we are proud to be part also of the JEC organization and winning this award. This is a big project because we have to thank first the European program because it's a Clean Sky 2 program and a project where we work on. We have to thank also the partners because it's a teamwork. We worked with Loirtec, IFPT, E-Team, and Sonaca. So we are very proud to achieve such a results. And it's also teamwork because SETIM, we are a technical center and we have a big history in terms of composites. We are working on it since more than 40 years. And now we have a big team with more than 120 people working on it. And one of them is Christophe, so maybe you can give some few benefits of the program.
Yes.
And this is yours, you too.
Thank you so much. Okay, the key benefits for this program, there is, first of all, the in-situ consolidation. There is the full automated processes. And the other key benefits, there is the quality, the repeatability, and the reliability of this process due to the automatization of this process and the recyclability. And the recyclability is so important for the SETIM company because we use only the thermoplastic raw material, and we can see the future with this raw material for the new projects.
Yeah.
The new.
And this is one of the targets of SETIM.
Fantastic. And lastly, from me, how is this going to change? Being a winner right now, how do you see things changing after winning this?
It's good because with this kind of prize, we can show what we can do for the industry. We are working for it. We are working for more concrete solutions for industry, more sustainable solutions, and one of this award show it also. It's a good prize to show it to all the industry.
It certainly is, and again, you'll be showing that at JEC World 2023. Clément, Christophe, thank you so much, and once again, congratulations to SETIM. Well done.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, we move on now to our third category of the JEC Innovation Awards 2023. Again, if you just joined us, you're not right in the middle of it. We're through to the third category right now, but this is the competition in terms of composites across the world, in terms of innovation and showcasing really what these big ideas are all about. We move on now to the third category. This is Automotive and Road Transportation Design part. Let's have a look at the three finalists.
Toyota Seatback project was a continuation of Toyota's journey to convert steel seat structures to composites. The partnership journey consisted of 4 companies working closely together: Toyota, L&L Products, BASF, and Flexengate. The project's goal was to convert the current steel seat that consisted of 60 steel components into 4 composite parts, all while reducing mass, reducing cost, reducing scrap, but adding functionality to the seat. This was achieved by overmolding thermoplastic onto our CCS pultruded material to create a very lightweight part. The new part met the goals by combining the thermoplastic with thermoset materials. It could carry more than 2 times the load of its predecessor, yet it was 20% less weight and it cost 20% less to make. It had much less scrap and it ended up being a win for everyone.
So there we have it, Automotive and Road Transportation Design Part 3 finalists, only one winner, and we're about to find out who that is in a few moments' time. And now to invite actually to the studio right here in Paris, one of our 11 jury members who've decided the fates of one of these finalists as well. Please welcome Materials, Structures and Industrialization Technical Coordinator at the Ariane Group, Mr. Guy Larnac. Guy, welcome. Nice to meet you. Thank you for giving up your time. I can imagine it was a pretty tough decision to finally decide who's going to win on this one, right?
Yeah, exactly. It was very difficult to choose. We have very great innovation in this I would say domain of designing parts for automotive. And it was a very difficult choice, and it was very close to each other. So, but we need a winner for sure.
Need a winner. It's in that envelope, and I'm going to let you now open that envelope and announce the winner of the Automotive and Road Transportation Design Part category.
Okay, so it's a company we succeeded in combining topology optimization. It's very important for design parts, structural parts also with composite, and also sustainability. And the winner is. Okay, is Porsche Company.
Congratulations, well done. I'll shake your hand there.
Thank
you as well. And you have something, you've just won something. There we are. Guy's going to hand it to you.
It's an honor to give you this prize and this award. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
We are really honored to receive the prize. 4 years we were working towards this, to develop the lightest cage ever built in a series car. And we found a really great design with bionic optimization with a partner of University Stuttgart, Philipp Berenders. We did a lot of calculations with a partner, Kuba Engineering, and finally we needed a really reliable partner we found in Action Composites.
Thanks, Timo. And also thanks to get your trust to build up this special project, this special part here. To be honest, this project was really wow. We developed different new processes. We developed to place the UD fiber in the correct position. We realized the grown appearance of the part in the carbon optic. We fulfilled the whole crash performance according to the FIA regulations. And finally, we achieved the whole interior requirements like smell, fire, and so on. This first action bionic carbon part was only be realized with a great, excellent team. Therefore, many thanks to our team in Asia, in Europe, and also thanks to our supplier everywhere. Finally, for me, this award stands for excellence, for team spirit and trust. Thanks to all.
Fantastic, fantastic. Again, so how is this going to change? 4 years in the making, lots of time, lots of energy.
Party on.
Party on, right? Okay. Well, I hope by in 2 months you might still be partying, but hopefully you can stop the partying and have another party, as it were, over at JEC World. Thank you so much. Well done.
Thank you all.
And Guy, thank you so much for your time and your energy as well. Thanks so much.
Great. Okay,
wonderful.
Thanks.
Right, we are moving through these different categories. Again, Porsche and all of our other winners as well. You have a chance to start conversations with them, really understand more about their projects and exactly what they're doing at JEC World 2023. Let's move on now to our next category, which very simply is Automotive Road Transportation Process. Let's have a look again. Let's have a look at the three well-deserved finalists.
Hello, I'm Dr. Burcistan Okan, co-founder of Nanographene and faculty member at Sabancı University. Nanographene lowers the cost of graphene by using waste tire as a starting material for plastic industry for mass production. Nanographene is developing lightweight and cost-effective automotive parts together with Renault and with the co-founder of Ravago and part producer of Farkglass. This part is front-end carrier, which is a structural panel that supports the fixed components in the vehicle and supported in the engine compartment. In this technology, we use just only 1% nanographene coming from the waste tires and reduce the glass fiber amount in the structures, and we decrease the 10% weight and provide lightweightening and also provide cost-effective solution for OEM. This part is validated by part performance test by Tier 1. Now it will be used in Renault Megane cars this year. We want to expand this technology with the stakeholders in the composite market. Thank you.
Active core molding, a revolutionary process eliminating current limits in CFRP transformation.
Coridian is the first active core for the self-forming of CFRP to its final shape. No more autoclaves, no more bags. Its thermally expanding ultralight structure applies equalized pressure to every detail of the CFRP form within the mold. The viscous behavior absorbs overlaps and all the overall interference involved in the component forming. The perfect complex forming process is a result of the active core. The Caridian core creates high equalized pressure and allows previously impossible forms. Caridian is completely fireproof. It's soluble, shockproof, permits the reduction of CFRP materials, guaranteeing ultralight compositions, and is easy to use. All features that make Caridian the solution that gives CFRP forming a new revolutionary freedom. An unseen level of finish quality, lightness, and groundbreaking strength.
So there we have it once again. Automotive and road transportation process category. 3 finalists. Who's going to win? Who's going to walk away a winner? We'll find that out in just a few moments' time. Let's move on now to our jury member who's going to announce the winner of this category. It's somebody we've already heard from already, from our sponsor, Kodsa. Welcome back, Muja Yenmez. Muja, you there? I can see you.
Yes, I'm here.
Fantastic. Right. Okay. I'm going to hand it over to you now, and intrigued to hear who's the winner of this category.
And the winner is Audi.
Gentlemen from Audi, there we are. First of all, that's yours. That's all yours to keep forever, however long you want to keep it for. How does it feel standing here, walking away a winner with some pretty tough competition as well?
Well, it definitely feels great, and we are very happy and feel honored to be here and to receive this important award this year. Well, so I think we brought some quite a bit of technology into this competition, and since our video was lacking some music and probably thorough explanation, I'd like briefly to introduce what the technology was really about it. So it's all about an battery protection plate for the new Audi e-tron, Q8 Audi e-tron, and it's a novel composite design we have developed and industrialized with our partner from Polytech. So I hand it over to you. And well, what's new about it? We were able to replace an aluminum design from the last generation of the car, saving 7 or 8 kilograms of weight by this new composite technology. And well, I think we've found a new process which enables as well volume production. And at that point, it's really important to partner up with the right company to industrialize this novel and big part.
Yes, thanks for the overview. Of course, we had at the beginning of the project a lot of questions we need to find an answer, because on the one hand, we had a very innovative product with a very innovative process, and on the other hand, it was a serial production we need to get in time quickly. And yeah, thanks to a big team at Polytech and together with Audi, we get it done, and we're very proud of this.
And so you should be. And again, remember everybody who's watching at JEC World, you'll both be there back in Paris, sure, right? Yeah. Looking for conversations, looking to really share and showcase why you're walking away with this award right now. Once again, congratulations to Audi on this category. Well done.
Yeah, thank you very much.
And Muja, thank you so much for giving up your time and being with us today, announcing the winner as well. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we move on. We move on now steadily, as we always do, onto our next category of the JEC Innovation Composite Awards right now. This is actually the fifth category, Building and Civil Engineering. Building and Civil Engineering. Let's find out who the 3 finalists are.
En este proyecto Nanotures es el encargado de fabricar los elementos de composite de la cubierta retráctil.
Va a haber muchas personas, muchas empresas, muchas ingenierías que lo van a tomar como referencia para futuros proyectos.
Asset International Structures, along with our design partners, Covey UK, are extremely proud to be a finalist in the JEC Composites Innovation Awards. Our sheep house wood bat mitigation structure will ensure the protection of a rare species of bat using off-site modular construction, minimising embodied carbon and maximising safety using our FRP and concrete design.
The sheep house wood bat mitigation structure is a key design element of HS2 Railway in the Calvert area with our client EKFB. The design has been developed with consideration for technical and structural requirements, as well as its importance in protecting the surrounding habitat and 13 species of bat in this area as part of the HS2 Green Corridor strategy.
The Asset Bebo arch and FRP lightweight mesh panels have been designed to meet the requirements of the CDM regulations, and through using FRP for over 70% of the structure, our design has considerably reduced embodied carbon.
So there we have it. Once again, 3 finalists. We don't know who the winner is right now, but we'll find out very shortly indeed of the building and civil engineering category. But before we do, I have to show you, obviously, this here is the award. You may look at it and you may think it's quite heavy, it's quite bold. It is bold, naturally. However, it's extremely light indeed. I won't walk away with one of these. One of these is never going to be on my shelf at home. However, the lucky winners certainly will feel the lightness and the very light indeed, which is naturally one of the benefits of using composite materials. I'll pop that there and now introduce to you the person, one of our, again, 11 jury members who will announce the winner of this category. Director of Innovative Composite Center at the Kanazawa Institute of Technology, Professor Kiyoshi Uzawa. Professor, are you there?
Hello, Peter.
Hello there. Hi, nice to see you again. Remind us, where are you right now? We would love to know.
Okay. Can I announce the winners?
Yeah, you don't have to tell us where you are. It's okay. In fact, some ways we don't need to know at all. However, let us know. Announce the winner of the building and civil engineering category from wherever. We never know. We'll never know.
Okay. Right. The winner of the building and civil engineering category is Automotive.
Gentlemen, congratulations. This is yours. Who's going to take it? It's yours. There we are. Wonderful. Right. Okay. Tell us, how does it feel to be walking away a winner of this category?
For us, it's an honor. Thank you very much to JEC, and also thanks to the team of Nanotures. Without the work and the effort of the team, this project was not possible. And also to give the thanks to our partners. It's very difficult to compete with the composite in construction regards the conventional or traditional materials, but I think this project offers new opportunities and also challenges in the composites for future projects. This year we finished the project at the start 3 years ago, and during these times a large number of technical challenges has been solved, and I think it's an important thing for the composite point of view. Again, thank you very much to all the people involved in the project, and also thank you very much to JEC.
Fantastic. Again, how are you going to celebrate as a winner? What are you going to do? You going to party like the other winners? We'll see. Right. And we look forward to seeing you again back in Paris for JEC World 2023 for more conversations and for showcasing to everybody what these projects are all about. So congratulations and well done. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
And thank you so much, Professor Kiyoshi Ozawa, wherever you are. It's great to have you with us, and we'll see you again. Thank you so much. As you can hear, there's kind of a theme through the winners here. So most of the winners, well, all of the winners really, the time of when these projects began go back quite a few years indeed. So actually standing here and walking away a winner and being applauded and celebrating the win makes it extra special. Certainly, as we all know, when we've put in a lot of work and a lot of effort, not sole effort, but usually as part of a team, it can really be appreciated. Right, moving on to our next category. Next category, circularity and recycling. Let's have a look at not one, not two, but three of our finalists.
Fiber-reinforced composites are a key technology of the 21st century. They enable renewable energies and resource-saving transportation. And this can be further improved. Our innovation is a truly bio-based thermoset resin, which enables a carbon footprint reduction of more than 80% compared to a conventional thermoset resin. And it has a biomaterial content of more than 80%. Our biomaterial does not compete with food like soybean oil. We start with lignin, a waste material from the paper and pulp industry. This is converted into vanillin methacrylate, the key material of our new thermoset resin. Our invention can be used on standard manufacturing machines under standard conditions. With our innovation, zero carbon composites become a reality. Together, we make this world better for future generations, step by step.
It's our honor to be nominated as JEC Composites Innovation Awards finalist. We developed 100% pure recycled carbon fiber spanion, which is compatible with virgin CFRP performance, and established a comprehensive recycling system for extensive practical uses. Because of our histories of spinning and weaving process with yarn quality inspection, we achieved this innovation solution with various companies. Our first practical application utilized the carbon fiber scrap from the fuel cell electric vehicle as the raw material and manufactured the head frames for our airjet room. Now, we are working on reproducing many propellers using cross-industrial recycled carbon fiber. We will showcase these demonstrations in JEC World 2023.
Circularity and recycling, three finalists. Who's going to walk away a winner? Very difficult to tell, but we'll find that out in a few moments' time. Right now, inviting back to the stage a man we've already seen to announce the winner of this category, the CEO of JEC Group, Mr. Eric Pierrejean. Eric, welcome back.
Peter, happy to be back.
Lovely to see you back. I mean, maybe we should swap jobs. Maybe you should take over as host. We're seeing you a lot.
I don't have your talent. But for me, it's an honor to be also giving this award for circularity and recycling, which is, of course, a topic for all categories, but it deserves to have a specific award.
Okay, Eric, let's hear who, out of those 3 finalists, is going to walk away winner of this category.
You want me to show to the camera like we did online? No.
Should we try it? Well, at least we can hear you. We can hear you, which is a good thing.
The winner of this award is Toyota Industries Corporation.
Welcome from Toyota. Well done. I think you have this is yours.
Okay, thank you.
He's going to give it to you. There we
Thank
are.
you.
That's fantastic. Well done.
Thank you
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I believe you came over directly from Japan to Paris, hoping maybe you'd win, and it certainly paid off. How does it feel right now to be the winner of this category?
Thank you for the award, and I'm very excited and proud of this innovation award. And I'd like to thank to all the jury members and JEC. And this recognition is encouraging and highly important for all of us in composite field, because the contribution to the technology for reducing environmental impact is our responsibility. And as I said in the video, our innovation is built on our company's history of spinning and weaving process with yarn quality inspection. And we developed 100% pure recycled carbon fiber spanion, which is compatible with virgin CFRP performance. And we also established a comprehensive recycling system for extensive practical uses. And our first practical application utilized the carbon fiber scrap from the fuel cell electric vehicle as a raw material, and manufactured the head frames for our Airjet room. And now we are working on reproducing marine propellers using cross-industrial recycling carbon fiber. Without partners' contribution, we would not be able to achieve this far. I'd like to thank to all the partners, especially Mr. Mikuni at Toyota Motors, Mr. Takahashi at Kurimoto, and Mr. Sakurai at Nakashima Propeller, and Dr. Yoshimura at Nagoya University, and Mr. Sasagawa at Toyota Central R&D Labs, and Dr. Payman at Usta Technologies, and all of our colleagues. And we continue to look for partners worldwide to expand our recycling system to solve planet's environmental challenges together. Thank you very much for the hour today.
Fantastic, wonderful. And at JEC World, you'll be joining us at JEC World back in Paris. And again, you can explore those conversations, looking for partners, looking for businesses and partners who can really move forward together with you. So once again, congratulations.
Thank you very
and
much.
we look forward to seeing you back in Paris for JEC World 2023.
Okay,
thank you so
very
much.
Thank you very much.
Wonderful. And there we are. And Eric, thank you so much for announcing it and giving up your time. Thank you so much. There we are, crossing over everywhere, which is fine. It's fine. Already, we've lost sound on a few things. We've had miming going on as well. Even a jury member didn't want to tell us where he was. But that's okay, because we will moving on to our next category, which is digital AI and data. Digital AI and data. Who are the 3 lucky, or not lucky, but well-deserved finalists of this category?
Netsch Process Intelligence is the youngest member within the Netsch family with its more than 4,000 employees globally. To tackle plastics and composites manufacturing challenges, we combine a team of process and material experts, data scientists and AI architects, electronics developers, as well as cloud and software developers. Our product, Sense Expert Digital Mold, is a digital process map achieving new levels of process understanding, and control. It combines advanced measuring hardware and material science with artificial intelligence, driving stability and sustainability. SenseXpert Digital Mold provides unseen insights into manufacturing processes and the material behavior inside, thereby enabling cycle time reduction and dynamic cycle times, scrap reduction based on real-time process parameter adaptations due to the material behavior and material irregularities, reduction in energy costs per single part, and a reduction in downtimes while giving insights into the process.
Quality assurance is an extremely important part of composite manufacturing process. Main goal of this research is to develop a framework for improving the EAP manufacturing rates by reducing the labor-intensive manual inspection and also improve the quality of production or reduce the scrap rate through big data analytics. IMS system has two main elements. One is the hardware, the inspection system that's attached to the automated fiber placement head, as well as a augmented reality visualization module to visualize the defects. The second part of the IMS is the software element, which includes a machine learning algorithm to detect the defects with higher accuracy than a human would do. And the other element is the AI component, where we can look at certain patterns and continuously improve our manufacturing process.
So there we have it. Digital, AI and data category. Again, three well-deserved finalists. We'll find out in a moment who's going to walk away a winner. There's actually just looking at some of the comments across social media in terms of what's unfolding right now. There's actually a comment that's come through that has said, what an impressive award that is so high from the ground. So I guess going by that comment, somebody thinks this is actually the whole award. It's not the whole award, although I'm sure, imagine this going back on the plane back to Tokyo. I'm sure you couldn't do it, and it's a little bit heavy as well. So unfortunately, although it would be a fantastic award, the whole thing, it's not. It's just this beautiful tip on the top. Right, let's move on now to our jury member who's going to share with us, reveal who the winner is of this category. Please welcome to our virtual stage right now, UK Innovations Manager from Ford Motor Company, Mr. Alan Banks. Alan, are you there?
I am indeed. Hope you can hear me.
We can hear you, we can see you. Where are you right now, I wonder?
I'm in our Research and Innovation Centre in Dunton, which is about 35 miles from London.
Okay, is everybody off work right now? Is it a bank holiday at the moment? 'Cause there's nobody in there at all, or is it just you? Or is it a remote office and you've been pulled in for this at work?
You would certainly think so. No, it's we're still doing a hybrid working arrangement since COVID, and I guess luckily I'm the only person in this particular pen today.
It looks like a really big office to do exactly as you wish. But hey, that's for another time. What's important right now is you sharing with us who this lucky winner is.
Absolutely. So this has been a really, really close call for this award. I have the envelope here, and the winner is the National Institute for Aviation Research at Wichita State University.
And directly with us right now, beaming through the power of technology, we have the winner, Waruna Senarivinare. Is that right? Probably not, but it doesn't matter because you're a winner. Who cares? Right. How does it feel? Where are you right now?
We're in Wichita, Kansas. It's basically right in the smack middle of the United States.
Smack middle in the United States. I can see you sitting there and your team behind you smiling and looking embarrassed but very happy, I'm sure, as well. How does it feel to be a winner?
It feels great. This is a great honor, especially with all the inventors around the world that JEC touches. For us composite nerds, this is like a Super Bowl of composites. So, and you know, this team worked very hard. This is an industry solution that takes Industry 3.0 technologies, like you see in the behind me, the robots, and really unlock the potential of these robots with machine learning, artificial intelligence, and taking all of these technologies into Industry 4.0, creating this cyber-physical manufacturing environment where we can improve the quality, the connectivity, and the productivity. So I also want to thank our sponsors for this research program from the U.S. Office of Naval Research, as well as the U.S. Air Force Research Lab, some of our industry partners like Joby Aviation, Northrop Grumman, because this is an industry solution. As a matter of fact, Joby integrated one of our prototypes in their production machine, so we're very, very proud of that. I also want to thank our NIAR Atlas team behind me. I have Taraka, Luke, Aaron Jones, and Sawish. And I also want to thank our AFP team here, led by Kevin Morgan. And we look forward to be at JEC World, and we'll be proudly showcasing the JEC Award in our booth at JEC World.
And we're looking forward to seeing you and having those conversations with you back here in Paris. But last, I'm going to ask you now, not actually to you. This is actually for the team behind you, guys behind. How do you think your boss should celebrate with you on this win? What would you like to do that your boss will be in charge of in terms of celebrating? How should your boss treat you? I'm sure you'll figure that out, but hopefully you'll be joining us all here in Paris in a couple of months. Once again, well done, and we'll be not sending you all of this. We'll be sending you this straight through the post, and hopefully it'll be with you very shortly indeed. Once again, congratulations on winning this category.
Thank you very much.
And thank you, Alan, for being with us, sharing the winner, and enjoy the whole evening on your own in your office. Right. Okay, let's move on now to our next category. I'm sure Alan's not going to be all on his own. Well, he still is on his own. That's fine. I'm sure Alan won't be on his own throughout the whole evening. I'm sure. Well, I don't know. There's probably a lot of things you could be doing on your own in your office and nobody there. Right. Let's move on to our next category. Right. Next category is equipment, machinery, and heavy industries. Right. Let's find out who the 3 finalists are of this category.
know that IsoTruss is the material of the future.
We have the unique benefit of building on 25 years of university experience.
We began patenting the IsoTruss technology early on. Those patents have continued to be filed.
And right now we have over 30 patents across the globe.
The IsoTruss technology is unique.
We use advanced aerospace grade carbon fiber.
There's so many possibilities with carbon fiber.
Steel corrodes. IsoTruss is a way to build for tomorrow. It will withstand all the conditions that it faces and ultimately continue to have the same performance as it did on the first day. It can last for 50 years.
We're up to 12 times as strong as steel or 12 times lighter. In addition, we have a patented geometry.
It takes advantage of the uniqueness of composite materials.
It's an open lattice, open grid structure. We've already tested in the real world our structures against typhoons and hurricanes.
They're performing perfectly for that environment.
We have an excellent team that's doing incredible things to advance the technology.
Every interaction that a client has with our structures, they see just how robust it is, that it's industrial grade. We're pushing the boundaries of what we're capable of, what we can do with carbon fiber. We offer an alternative that won't break down and help us build an infrastructure that can be around for a very long time.
There are more than 8 billion people on Earth, and they all need to be fed. Agriculture production has the challenge to keep up the pace of food demand in a sustainable way, and spraying is a fundamental process of the harvest cycle. BK developed a long-span, lightweight composite boom for agricultural spraying that boosts productivity. The patented design combines the outstanding properties of carbon fiber composites, a modular architecture, and the smart use of other materials. BK Comp.
Once again, 3 finalists. We'll find out very shortly who the lucky, I always say lucky, but really lucky, but also / well-deserved winner as indeed. And as we've already heard, so many winners have started these winning projects over the years, many years ago. So lots of teamwork, lots of effort, and finally seeing those results applauded certainly in this fashion during this competition. Okay, let's go over to our jury member, who one of our 11 jury members, who will now reveal who the winner is of this category. This is somebody that is actually a warm friend of JEC, and we see him every year, and no doubt we'll be seeing you again in Paris in a few months. From Mercedes-Benz, Dr. Karl-Heinz Fuller. Dr. Karl-Heinz, nice to see you.
Hello, how are you doing here?
I'm doing great. It looks like you're doing great as well. I wonder where you are right now. Tell us.
Well, I can tell you, this morning I was in the office, and this afternoon I moved from the office back home, and right now I'm sitting in my office at home in Ulm, Germany, on the Bavarian border.
Fantastic. Sounds great.
And the sun is shining, so it's
And the
a very
sun is
good day for
shining.
me today.
Is it really?
Yes.
But is it
Yes.
cold? I guess it's pretty cold though.
It is still cold, and I'm looking forward to get some heat soon.
Well, I'm sure you are, and we're looking forward to seeing you. You'll be joining us in a couple of months at JEC.
Sure, I will come in April.
Fantastic. Right, okay, I'm going to hand it over to you now to reveal to us all who is the winner of the Equipment, Machinery and Heavy Industries category.
Okay, well, we had a very intensive discussion and we had very good proposals, but finally we had to select one winner. And the winner in the category Equipment, Machinery, Heavy Industries is ISOTRUS with its fabulous carbon fiber tower. Congratulations.
Congratulations, well done. Oppa, I'll just give you that before I drop it. There we are, that's for you. Okay, very light indeed, isn't it? How does it feel standing here, picking the competition, just getting ahead and walking away a winner?
It feels great. On behalf of my team, I'm honored to receive this JEC Global Innovation Award for our ISOTRUS carbon fiber tower. And I'd like to thank the JEC membership. I'd like to thank the judges and acknowledge all of the hard work that the category competitors put in. I'd also like to thank our engineering and manufacturing and executive teams to enable us to get us to this point. So it's really a fantastic thing for us with a lot of years of development that has gone into it.
And as you say that and you look down at the award, it really feels like there has been a lot of work and a lot of effort over the years to get to this point, right?
There has been, and you know, our project partners from the U.S. National Institute of Food and Agriculture, which is part of the USDA, the Environmental Protection Agency, My Learning Alliance in Tampa, Florida, the SMASH Lab at Utah State University, and our Chief Technical Advisor, Dr. David Jensen, who, along with NASA, worked to develop this technology. Brigham Young University, the Technology Transfer Office. Really, there's a lot that has gone into this, and we're so thankful for everyone that's enabled us to build something that can enable us to reduce carbon emissions by 70% over the life of our structures, and we value and appreciate not only what JEC has given to us, but also our clients and customers and partners, our board and investors, to help us achieve our mission of building for tomorrow.
Okay, and finally, when you get together with everybody involved, how are you going to celebrate?
No, we're going to party.
Oh.
We're going to party. Dr. Jensen told me that, winning this for those that understand composites, it's like winning the World Cup or the Super Bowl.
Okay, and how are you going to party? That's what we want to know.
Well,
is that a secret?
It might be a secret, but you're invited.
Well, thank you so much. Once again, congratulations. Well done.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Right, there we have it. It's first invitation of the day. Thank you so much. Any of the other winners you want to invite me to your party, I'm more than happy to come. Although if it's in Japan, I don't think I'll be able to make it. But we can make it here in Paris during JEC World 2023. Right. Moving on. Oh, by the way, I didn't say it. Karl-Heinz, you've already gone. Are you still there, Karl-Heinz? No. Karl-Heinz, this will go out to you. You'll see this on the playback. Thank you so much for your energy and for your time, as always. Right, let's move on to our next category. This is actually number 9. 9 of 11. 9 of 11 categories. Maritime and transportation and shipbuilding. Who are the 3 finalists in this category?
All right, innovation is a new wing sail technology which we believe can massively increase the number of wind-propelled yachts and will provide an alternative to fossil fuels. Working with Artemis Technologies and CurveWorks, we've not only created a wing that is fully automated and ready to sail within seconds, but is also built in a more sustainable way, using reusable adaptive tooling and leaving zero waste.
We make composite panels without the waste of tooling. The Rondal wing is a kit of curved sandwich panels assembled together into a highly loaded structure.
This 9-meter prototype was used to validate design simulations and to discover real-world handling scenarios.
Rondal's new transformative wing cells for super yachts was a perfect fit for Artemis Technologies' simulation, aerodynamics and control system development.
Together with our partners, Rondal is delivering a game-changing package of wing sail efficiency and sustainable production.
Et en fait, ces structures textiles, associées avec de la résine, permettent de faire des matériaux composites qui sont utilisés dans la fabrication des coques de bateaux, dans la fabrication de ponts, de pièges de capotage, bref, tout ce qui permet de réaliser un bateau final. Et donc le travail des équipes de Chomara et de Beneteau est très important parce qu'on doit définir en amont le matériau le plus adapté pour répondre aux problématiques, bien sûr aux caractéristiques finales du bateau, mais également aux problématiques de process.
So, maritime, transportation and shipbuilding, 3 finalists, only 1 winner and only 1 jury member who's about to share with us and reveal who the winner of this category actually is. So a warm welcome through the power of technology once again, hopefully Professor of Mechanical Engineering at Centrale Nantes, Christophe Benetry. Christophe?
Hello.
Hello, Christophe. Are you in Nantes right now?
Yes, I am, definitively. Yeah.
You're definitely, it looks like Nantes, it feels like Nantes, and I'm sure you're about to share with us right now in your envelope who the winner is of this category. Share away.
You say that about my haircut because due to the wind, maybe, I don't know.
What?
Because this is
is that a Nantes haircut? Do people in Nantes have hair like you?
Oh yeah, thank you very much, Peter. Let me disclose the deserved winner of this category. So let me take the envelope I have right over here and let me open it now. Just to show you on the winner, he is, as you can see, Chantier de l'Atlantique. Congratulations for the winner.
Congratulations, congratulations, Chantier de l'Atlantique. There we are.
Thank you.
This is for you. Well
you.
done, congratulations. Tell us, talk to us, share with us how you're feeling right now.
I'm very proud because it's an honor for us. We are most known as coming from the steel industry, actually, but we moved into composite industry a few years ago when we decided to go for this solid state program development. And as we said in our small film, we started from scratch 3 years ago with our partners, Lorima, CDK, Excel, Avel Robotique, Multiplast, MECA, Bureau Veritas, and SMM. And we said, okay, just build a very large mast able to carry 1,500 square meters of sails. And we did it, and today we have already sold 8 of them. And so the market is there, and the next step is to go for a specific factory able to build 18 masts like this each year with a full robotic system.
And I can imagine at JEC World 2023, in a couple of months, being there as one of the winners, that helps certainly the process of starting those conversations to go forward, right?
Yes, it's sure. It's a right place to be in April.
And we look forward to seeing you back here in Paris as well. You're from Paris? Are you from Paris?
No, we are placed in Saint-Nazaire, close to Nantes.
Close to Nantes,
but
right.
Saint-Nazaire.
Okay, Saint-Nazaire, right. Thank you so much, and well done, and congratulations on the win. Fantastic.
Bye-bye.
Right. And Christophe, if you're still there, are you still there, Christophe?
I am.
You are.
I am.
No, it was a question. I asked you actually, do all the people, or many people in Nantes, have haircuts as beautiful as yours in Nantes?
Oh, I'm not sure. No. I am the one with the best one.
You are the one with Christophe Benetry. I will never forget you. Right, thank you so much. Maybe I certainly will see you, I'm sure, at JEC World amongst the thousands of people walking past. I will recognise that haircut. Right, thank you so much.
Thank you, Peter. Yes.
Let's move on to our next category, and this is category number 10 already. 10 different diverse categories, each with their own merit, and this one, naturally, renewable energies. 3 finalists. Let's find out who they are. Renewable energies, again, 3 finalists that made it out of certainly a lot of projects and ideas, but only 3 could make it to the final 3. And now we've come to the moment where we're about to find out who the winner is. Let's now invite to our virtual stage again one of our 11 jury members that will seal the fate of one of these 3 finalists from the Composite Institute, Mr. Dale Brosius. Dale, are you there?
I am here.
Where is here? Where are you right now, we wonder?
I am in the lovely city of Knoxville, Tennessee.
Knoxville, Tennessee, fantastic. And I guess it was a pretty tough call on who out of these 3 finalists actually made it as the winner, right?
Well, you know, renewable energy is essential to decarbonization of the planet. We need a lot more of it, and it's all of solutions, not just one. So all of the candidates were very, very good, and it was a tough decision.
Okay, let's hear who's walking away a winner of this category.
Okay, so the winner in this case is Huntsman Advanced Materials.
Gentlemen, congratulations. A handshake there for you as well. And this is yours. This is yours. How does it feel having your hands on that as winners of the category?
So well, is proud for an entire cross-functional team that spent a lot of years developing this product at this level, and honored to be here and to receive this award, which is again a teamwork, long cross-functional teamwork. Probably a couple of words on what this is and what makes this innovation different. So we are talking about structural adhesive that bonds multiple substrate, different kind of substrate, can operate at very low temperature. So and without surface preparation. So and this delivers very fantastic structural properties to composite bondings or other substrate bonding, for instance. But what makes this different is that in general, when you work on structural material, the structural material and sustainability in terms of tox and in terms of toxicity of and labeling of those materials are not good friends together. So, and in general, when you improve the toxicity of the material, making a safer working environment, which is an important factor for our development at Huntsman Advanced Materials. When you improve that, you have to do some concessions on the property, and this is the first time when we came across a new generation of structural adhesive that combines sustainability in terms of toxicity, speed of work, speed of assembly, together with the high performance.
And you'll be joining us. You'll be joining us.
Thanks a lot.
You'll be joining. Sorry, you have a few words to say?
Yes, absolutely. I must mention our partners, and we'll be joining you for JEC World. And this is really an inspiration, motivation to continue our sustainability efforts. And we also showcase some of the new ideas we have at JEC World, based on reducing plastic packaging waste for adhesives, which is a big topic, but also using bio-attributed raw materials. And thanks a lot to all our distribution partners that were mentioned in the video. Without them, it wouldn't have been able to get to this innovation, and we'll celebrate with them at the JEC at the 25th of April. And certainly, you're also welcome to join. The second invitation.
It's funny, everybody's now inviting me because I've said it. But hey, well
Thanks
done.
a lot,
I'll see you certainly in Paris. Once again, congratulations. Well done to you.
Thanks
but naturally, well done to the team as well.
Thanks.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
And Dale over there in Knoxville, Tennessee, thank you so much for your time and sharing with us who the lucky winners are of this category. Thank you so much.
Yes. See you next month.
Right. We, believe it or not, we are now on to our very last category. We've already heard the fate of 10 projects who are winners of the first 10 categories, and it leaves us now only to share with you here in the studio in Paris and everybody else joining us wherever you are around the world, our very last category of this year's awards ceremony. This moves on to sports, leisure and recreation, and let's find out straight away who the 3 finalists are.
Swancore is proud to present the recyclable thermoset carbon fiber reinforced plastic bike. Using this innovative resin system called EasyCyclo and Cleaver to solve the recycling issues of thermoset composites. EasyCyclo is a recyclable thermoset epoxy resin that allows customers to make fiber composites without changing their process and equipment. And by the end of life, parts can be degraded through Cleaver liquid to fully reclaim both resin and fibers. With the partnership to Gigantech's composite technology on the bike parts including frame, handlebar, front fork, and the rim sets are made of Swancore EasyCyclo pre-preg using hot press molding. These parts are tested for properties and meeting with ISO 4210 standards when it reaches its end of life. Parts can be degraded by Cleaver under 150 degrees Celsius. The reclaimed material can be reformulated to make molding parts again. This latest innovation, EasyCyclo and Cleaver, enables closed-loop recycling of thermoset composites.
Sports, leisure and recreation are the last of our 11, that's right, 11 categories, or 33 finalists, 10 winners already, and we're about to hear the very last winner of this awards ceremony of 2023. Right, so to share with us right now who the winner is of this category, again, esteemed member of our jury panel as well, the chairman of the board of JEC Group, Mr. Michel Cognier. Michel, welcome. I'm going to ask you just to come forward just a little bit more for me. Fantastic. Right. Saving the last till to the best. Is that right?
That's right.
That's right. Every year, well, not every year. Last year, last to announce the winner. This year as well. But before we find out who the winner is, you've just heard already the 10 other winners. You're about to share with us the 11th winner. Just give us an overview of how of the perspective, what you've seen and heard in terms of not just the winners but our finalists this year.
You know, in composite, really the innovation is key. And I have been in this industry for quite a long time now. You don't comment my haircut or hair color, but I've been...
Are you from Nantes? No,
I'm not from
Christophe.
I'm from Lyon.
From Lyon. This is what people from Lyon, the men from Lyon, they look like. Very different from the men from Nantes. But anyway, I'm sorry, Christophe. We're kidding.
So in this industry, innovation is really key, and it was a good illustration, you know, for all those market segments. The quality of the innovations in terms of products, technology, was quite impressive, and I was very proud for the composite industry to see all those innovations. Okay, and sports sports, leisure, and recreational is a great example. It's really the fast track to introduce new products, sometimes new technologies. So when there is innovation, sport is almost the first one to bring them to the market. So it's an interesting market segment.
It certainly is, and something I've noticed certainly at JEC World as well over the years. There are more and more exhibitors, more and more businesses, ideas in terms of this category that we see on display in Paris at JEC World. Right, let's hear who the winner is.
So the winner is Swancor. Congratulations.
Congratulations to our winner, and I believe right on now, beaming through with us, Executive Vice President of Swancor, Chris Hesse. Chris, hello.
Hi, Peter.
Where are I ask this every time. I'll do the same right now. Where are you right now?
I'm in Taiwan, in the center of Taiwan.
In the center of Taiwan. So being in the center of Taiwan, probably the only winner right now in the center of Taiwan. How are you feeling as the winner of this category?
Of course, we're very happy. And also thanks to the JEC committee for giving us this overwhelming award. And also thanks to our team and our partner, JEC Composite Technology, for the fully support. And Swancor was established in 1992, and we have been supplying thermoset resin to the composite industry for more than 30 years. But everybody knows that recycling of thermoset composite is always being a challenge. So we are very proud to have taken the first step to present our new resin system, EasyCyclo, and also made the first recyclable thermoset CFRP bike.
Chris, I'm going to ask you, are you coming over? I hope you're coming over and your team over to Paris for JEC World.
Sure. We will go there.
I hope you will, because I'm sure being a winner right now, there'll be a lot of interest in what you do, in your concepts, and certainly those conversations will move forward as well. So congratulations once again to you and naturally your team, and we look forward to welcoming you here in Paris for JEC World 2023. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Right, ladies and gentlemen, Michelle, it's just me and you at the end now, isn't it? I don't walk away a winner of those, although maybe you got a few of those on your mantelpiece, I don't know. But anyway, here's the thing: we now, ladies and gentlemen, have come to the end of the JEC Innovation Awards 2023. You've seen and heard from 33 finalists. You've experienced the winners, the 11 winners of this competition. And all that leads me now to say is you're curious, you'd like to know more, you'd like to maybe explore perhaps partnerships with some of the winners, all of the winners or just some of the winners, or again, you're just curious and you just like to know more. Have those conversations certainly at JEC World 2023, 25th to the 27th of April. There's actually a dedicated area just for the Innovation Awards winners, so you have a chance to meet them, talk to them, and take, as I say, take those conversations forward as well. All that leaves me right now to say is we have come to the end of this awards ceremony. But before we go, before me and Michelle say goodbye, completely say goodbye, we have one thing we'd like you to do. Those of you that are, it's not for you online, however you can watch us do this. We would like everybody who's here in our studio right now. Every year it gets bigger and bigger with our people that we invite to the studio, also our jury members, and naturally finalists and winners as well. So right now I would like everybody here who's part of this concept to come forward, and we'll take one last kind of family composite photo of this awards ceremony. So please come forward. That's right, come forward. And that's it. So again, everybody here, thank you so much. Everybody online, wherever you are, we'll see you again. Remember, join us, JEC World 2023, 25th to the 27th of April.